Next, I hide the tab ribbons. Click on File. Then click on Option. Uncheck Show Sheet tabs. Then hide the ribbons. Click on View tab. Uncheck Formula bar. So now I can see all visuals in this dashboard are visible. So I check links are working properly or not. Click on this icon, then click on this icon. So I see here this collapsible button is working properly. Then click on quantity button. I see here quantity sheet. Then if I click on revenue, I see here theme number 1 sheet. I insert here collapse sheet. Because when I click here quantity, I see here collapsible button. But when I click here revenue, I see here pane with different buttons. So show the sheet tabs. Click OK. Go to the quantity field. Then right click. Click on added link. Select collapse sheet. Click OK. Then active dashboard sheet. Collapse this button. Click on quantity. Then click on revenue. So I see here now these links are working properly. Similarly, if I click on show information button, I see here information. If I want to hide this information, once again I see here theme number 1 sheet. Right click, then click on added link. Insert the collapse sheet. Click OK. Again click OK. Now I see here the collapsible pane is not visible here. Then click on quantity. Then click on revenue. Click on information button. Then hide the information. Then click on collapsible button. Click on theme 2. Then click on theme 3. Click on theme 4. Then click on theme 1. I want to hide these 2 buttons. So I see here these 2 buttons are invisible. I want to visible these 2 buttons. I also see here when these 2 buttons are invisible, I also see here off button. Again click on this image. I see here these 2 buttons are visible but the collapsible pane is invisible. So again click on these 2 buttons. Right click, edit the link, show this sheet, click OK. Then again click on this button. So I see here this pane is still visible. So this toggle button is working properly. Similarly, if I click on this toggle button, I see here info button is invisible. Again click on this image. The collapsible pane is invisible. Click on this toggle button. Select this image. I see here this image is not selected. Click on Shape Format. Then click on Ungroup. Now right click. Click on Added Link. Then select Dashboard Sheet. Click OK. Now I click on this sheet. Click on this toggle button. Now this button is working properly. Next, I hide the sheet tab. Click OK. Then click on this button. Select Theme 2. Select Theme 3. Then select Theme 4. Theme 1. Click on this toggle button. Then click on this toggle button. Hide this pane. Click on Quantity. Then click on Revenue. Show the information. Hide this information. I can also visualize and analyze data by using these slicers. Select theme number 2 or theme number 3. Click on theme number 1 and hide this pane.